Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of icon. We click on settings. Here you can go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about icon and you can click. Here you can go to first stop and you can click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and watching. Goodbye.